Attention all USA truckers. Never, and I mean never, make this one mistake on an icy stretch after 2 a.m. Last winter on Interstate 80 in Wyoming, a phantom blacked-out semi tried to push my 80,000-pound rig right off a 200-foot drop. The survival technique I used that night saved my life, and if you don't know it, your next haul could literally be your last. It was 2:30 a.m. on Interstate 80 in Wyoming, a brutal, blizzard-covered stretch known to claim lives every winter. I was hauling an 80,000-pound loaded rig. Visibility was near zero, and cell service was completely dead. Up ahead, I spotted a giant 18-wheeler creeping along in the right lane with zero lights on. No headlights, no taillights, completely blacked out. Passing an unlit phantom rig on a 2-lane icy road is a classic hazard, but staying behind it was suicide. I hit my blinker, stepped on the pedal, and moved into the left lane to pass. That split second was the biggest mistake of my life.
The moment my cab lined up with his rear trailer, the blacked-out truck aggressively swerved directly into my lane, trying to slam my driver's side. I laid on the air horn, but he didn't care. He kept squeezing me toward the concrete guardrail with a 200-foot sheer drop on the other side. Panicked, I slammed hard on the foot brake, and instantly my trailer started to jackknife on the black ice. My rig was out of control, tires screeching, sliding sideways straight toward the cliff. I looked into the other truck's window as he passed. The interior was pitch black, but I saw the front steering wheel violently jerking to crush me into the wall.
Every instinct told me to keep stamping on the brakes, but my professional skid recovery training kicked in just in time. I completely released the brake pedal, gripped the steering wheel with everything I had, and gently tapped the accelerator while steering directly into the direction of the slide. The moment your drive tires regain traction, power pulls the trailer straight. My rig snapped back into line, missing the edge by mere inches, while the phantom truck sped off into the dark. Remember this rule, drivers. When your trailer starts to jackknife on black ice, never slam the foot brake. Lock your hands on the wheel, ease off the brake, steer into the skid, and lightly feather the throttle to pull your rig straight. That single technique is the only reason I am alive today to tell this story. 3 months after my Wyoming incident, I was running a cross-country haul through Nevada's lonely Route 50, known as the loneliest road in America. It was around 1 a.m. A clean white reefer truck had been tailgating me for over 30 miles, keeping his high beams directly on my side mirrors to blind me. I radioed him on CB Channel 19 multiple times, but got nothing but creepy breathing on the line. Suddenly, another sleeper truck pulled up on my left side, matching my speed exactly and trapping me in the right lane. I was completely boxed in at 65 miles per hour. Before I could react, the front truck on my left began slowly drifting into my lane, intentionally squeezing my rig toward a ditch filled with massive boulders. The truck behind me started bumping my rear bumper, trying to force me off the pavement or make me flip. They were working together, a coordinated highway ambush. My steering wheel was vibrating violently, and my engine temperature was redlining. If I hit the brakes, the guy behind would slam me. If I turned right, I'd roll my 80,000-pound load over the rocks. I knew I had only one window of opportunity. I didn't hit the foot brake. Instead, I grabbed my trailer brake lever, the Johnson bar, and pulled it hard while keeping my foot flat on the gas pedal. This locked only my trailer tires, causing a sudden, massive drag that jerked my rig backward without spinning out. The truck on my left shot straight ahead, missing my front bumper by inches, and the truck behind slammed hard into my rear collision bar instead of pushing me. I immediately yanked my wheel into the open lane, floored the accelerator, and escaped down an off-ramp to safety. Here is the critical safety tip for every trucker facing a hijack or box-in setup. Never just hit your main brakes if you're boxed in at high speeds. Use your hand trailer brake, Johnson bar, to create instant drag while keeping engine power on. This rapidly slows your momentum from the rear, braking you out of the pocket safely without losing control of your front steering tires. Keep your eyes sharp, trust your gut, and never let them blind your mirrors.